While all the hype now is about the Note 20, let's take a look at its predecessor, the Note 10. Hello everyone, today I've got an unboxing video of my new Samsung Galaxy Note 10. I've always wanted a new Note device, and I've been waiting for the Note 20 to be unveiled before making my choice either between the 10 or the 20. I'm not very impressed with the Note 20, so I decided to go with the Note 10, which is still an impressive device in my personal opinion. So yeah, let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. On the front of the box, down here it says Note 10, and there is a picture of the S Pen itself. The S Pen is color coded to the color of the Note that you buy. Since I did get the Aura Pink Note 10, the S Pen is in Aura Pink. I did not have a choice in color when buying the phone since I got the last unit the store that I bought it from will ever get, so yeah. On the left side it says Samsung Galaxy Note 10, if you can see it. On the bottom you have the color, barcode, serial number and all that stuff. Nothing on the right. And on the back of the box just tells you some specifications regarding the phone, the what the box is made of and all that stuff. I have a penknife right here. Let's cut open the seal. Okay, so right in here we have Samsung, and at the back is the SIM injection tool. Quick start guide in English and Mandarin. Warranty card and regional lock guide. Right, 2 warranty cards, I have no idea why. And here just a leaflet saying about Samsung Pay. And there is also a case inside the box, which is good. Now to the phone. This does feel quite nice. Put it aside. Just a sticker. Samsung. Right here we have the fast charging adapter. It is 3-pin. And it is USB-C as well, if you can see the port right there. Okay, so right in here we have the S Pen tip removal tool, as well as some replacement tips. Right here we have the USB-C to USB-C cable. I'm not gonna take it out, so there it is. And right on top we have the AKG earphones, which are USB-C as well. Okay, so let's do a first boot up of my new Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Okay, let's go English United Kingdom. Yep. Check out some info to get started. I've read and agreed to all the above. Next. Bring your old data for quicker setup. Skip this for now. Next. Yeah. choose a Wi-Fi network. Okay, so Wi-Fi is connected. It is checking for updates, checking information, Google sign-in account. Okay, so I've just passed the Google account stage, so now it's asking me to protect my phone. Let's just do the fingerprint. Okay. Okay, I'll do a PIN. Let me just do that and be back. Okay, so I've entered the PIN. Let's do the fingerprint. Okay, continue. Okay, fingerprint added. You can add more, but that is all for now. Next. Next for now. Don't back up to Google Drive. Use location, scanning. Okay. Alright. Accept. Sign into my Samsung account. Okay, so I've just signed into my Samsung account. Skip. Skip. All done. Finish. And there you go. I did not know that inside the box, the Note 10 came with a clear silicone case, which is quite nice. So I actually got an official Samsung clear view cover. Let's take it out. Inside you have sort of like a manual, and you just take it out like that, put it aside. Let's take the plastic wrapping off. There is one right here at the bottom. Okay, so let's put it inside the case. And there you go. You can see all the notifications, and the case isn't actually too thick, so it does feel quite nice in the hand. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of my new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 in Aura Pink. Thanks for watching and goodbye.